Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best grooming tools on the market. The Wahl Clipper Rechargeable Cord by Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit.
If you're looking for precision, durability, and versatility in your grooming routine, look no further.
The Wahl Clipper Kit is a game-changer, designed for both professional and home use. Let's start with what sets this kit apart. It features long-lasting, self-sharpening stainless steel blades, ensuring a smooth, snag-free cutting experience every time. Whether you're trimming your hair, shaping your beard, or even tackling body grooming, these blades are up to the task. One of the standout features is its dual operation capability. You can use it cordless for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, perfect for those on the go touch-ups or when you prefer mobility. Need continuous power? Simply plug it in and keep going.
The Wahl Clipper Kit doesn't just stop at the basics. It comes with a comprehensive set of 12 attachment guards, allowing you to achieve the exact style and length you desire.
From a precise fade to a full trim, this kit has you covered. Crafted with durability in mind, Wahl has been a trusted name in the grooming industry since 1919. Their commitment to quality is evident in every aspect of this clipper. From the ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand to the easy-to-clean components that ensure longevity. What I personally love about this kit is its versatility. Whether you're a professional barber or someone looking to maintain their look at home, the Wahl Clipper adapts to your needs effortlessly. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it suitable for all hair types and styles.
Don't just take my word for it. Professionals and enthusiasts alike rave about the Wahl Clipper for its reliability and performance.
It's not just a tool, it's an investment in your grooming routine.
Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about the Wahl Clipper Kit. From maintenance tips to compatibility with different voltages, I'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Thank you for tuning in to today's review of the Wahl Clipper Rechargeable Cord by Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and grooming tips. Until next time, stay sharp. Remember, at Product Critique, we bring you honest reviews to help you choose the best products for your lifestyle. See you in the next video.